Hello, so it looks likely that driving lessons and driving tests will be suspended in the UK throughout November. Nothing has yet been officially announced, but the rumours are going around this morning that it's very likely the Prime Minister is going to announce a 1-month stay-at-home lockdown starting on Monday. So unfortunately, lessons and tests will be off throughout November, probably starting up again early in December. So I'd like to know your thoughts on this. What do you think about having taken lessons over the last few weeks, last few months? What's it been like for you as a learner, taking lessons, having to wear a face covering, having to have the windows down? How have you experienced it, and what do you think about there being this new lockdown? There are no firm details just yet, but just so you know, it's very likely going to happen. So let me know your thoughts, and I'll be back with more news as soon as it's announced. I do get emails straight from the DVSA before a lot of other people will get them. So keep watching my channel for more news. Hopefully, fingers crossed, things will be okay and we can carry on. But if you've got a test in November, as unfortunately some of my pupils have, it's looking a bit dodgy as to whether you'll actually do it. So check out the other videos on the screen now. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you again soon for more videos.